I want to get some practical impact of what this decision, as far as Proposition 8 in California, means. The governor, Jerry Brown, he issued a statement, among other things, saying, I have directed the California Department of Public Health to advise the state's counties that they must begin issuing marriage licenses to same-sex couples in California as soon as the Ninth Circuit confirms the stay is lifted. When do you believe the Ninth Circuit will confirm that the stay, in other words, their decision that doesn't allow the same-sex marriages to go forward, when will they release that stay?
Thank you, Wolf. Well, first of all, it's a great day in California, and I think it's a great day in this country because the last ruling on Proposition 8 stands, and that is that Proposition 8 violates the United States Constitution and is therefore unconstitutional. So the Ninth Circuit, I am requesting that the Ninth Circuit lift its stay as soon as it can, as soon as possible, because there are a lot of same-sex couples in California who have been waiting a very long time to exercise their equal right to be married, and each day is not equal. In those days that have passed, babies have been born, relatives have died, and justice should not be denied and it should not be delayed. Because
some experts have suggested it could take 25 days, maybe 30 days for that stay to be lifted. Is that what you're hearing?
Well, it's correct that the court today issued a ruling, but the judgment becomes effective 25 days after the United States Supreme Court issues its ruling. However, the Ninth Circuit does have in its power to lift the stay before those 25 days have passed, and so it is our hope that the court will do just that. Again, appreciating the fact that there have been too many days and for too long, citizens of our state, residents of our state have been denied due process under the law. They've been denied equal protection under the law, and we should not wait any longer. The marriages should begin as quickly and as soon as possible.
Earlier in the day, I interviewed Austin Nimitz. He's the co-counsel. He was the one who was supporting Proposition 8 before the Supreme Court, and this is what he said to me. I'll play a little clip for you.
The four plaintiffs that brought this lawsuit may have a right to get marriage licenses issued to them, but this was not a class action lawsuit and does not apply statewide. Proposition 8 is the law of the state of California, and because there's no appellate court decision holding it unconstitutional under the California Constitution, which is what controls this interpretation here, Proposition 8 remains the law of that state.
Is he right?
He's absolutely wrong. The last ruling by Judge Vaughn Walker was that there would be a permanent injunction basically stopping Proposition 8 from taking effect because it is unconstitutional. And in his ruling, the Judge Vaughn Walker indicated that it would apply directly to the parties before it, including the State Department of Public Health, which oversees each of the 58 counties of California and the work that they do giving out marriage licenses. So it is very clear that in the case of that, in a case that was also litigated in California called the Lockyer case, and also one of the federal rules that combined, Rule 65, that combined, it is very clear to us, after a careful review of the law, that all 58 counties must abide by Judge Vaughn Walker's ruling, and once the stay is lifted, they will each be required to perform marriages consistent with the law, and to do otherwise would be in violation of the law.
So you have no doubt that within a month, let's say, if not sooner, gay couples will be allowed in California to get married?
There's no doubt whatsoever. The bells will ring and the marriages will begin, and it's a great day in our state for equal protection under the law for all people. And, you know, I look at the issue from a number of perspectives, including the fact that we have 50,000 children in California who are the children of those same-sex couples. And those children are looking up at their parents and us as the leaders of their community and saying, why can't my parents and their marriage be considered as legitimate under the law as those of my classmates? And what we know as of today is that very soon in California, we're going to be able to look down at those children and say, yes, your parents are equal to any other parents, and we will sanctify and we will recognize them as a married couple under the law with all the rights that come with that.